how to mirror flip any 3D animations just in one click. You can see this 3D avatar. She is dancing towards the right hand side. Now I want to have a mirror flip directly in iClone. This is the original air dance. So in order to just mirror flip, you just need to click the timeline. Then you should be able to see the air dance here. This is the animation. Right click, you can see a mirror clip. Once you click on that, then just replay everything again. You can see now she's dancing to the left. And just now, the original motions, she's dancing toward the right. After you flip it, it will become the mirror clip. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to mirror flip any 3D animations in iClone 8. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. This channel is all about the 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing tutorials. Subscribe if you love all these 3D tutorials. And also turn on the mini bell and to turn on the notification. If next time I publish a new videos, tutorials, and sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video.